Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 7th of August 2023. Let's move on to the screen. Let me share the screen with you. Right, starting with Forex Factory, as you can see, that there are no heavy impact news. Let me this. Okay, right. CAD has a bank holidays. PHF, United States, it's having a low, medium impact, and the US dollar 115 with a medium impact. I don't remember how to speak. And the rest of the news on low impact news. What's some of August. Going to Dixie, see what's happening in Dixie. Right. Dixie, as you can see, was moving in a channel in daily as well as for hedge to the upside. Now it has more room to go upside, but now here in daily, it made this evening star. The market came down. Let's see what happened in the weekly, we have another channel here. As you can see, this channel here. And we expect this move. But going into a smaller time frame, daily we have this channel. And within that, 4-hour had the same channel as well. One hedge to this channel within the channel. And you can see this level was broken here. Market respected this area. There is order block here, or you call it support level. And market projection from here. I know what I can see in 1 hour. In 1 hour, there is evening star hand and market started to come down before the market closed. Also, there's a rejection. This is a rejection area as well. We can expect the market to come down, retest this area because there's a fair value gap there as well. Sorry about that. And then go to the upside. So that means if it comes down, we have expectation for the gold to go to the upside. And as you can see in gold, one hedge highly bullish. It's retested this region but on the breakout after breakout. And currently on the support level, we can expect this to go to the upside. If this level is broken, which is highly likely because we got here fair value gap here, and let's see what's in 4 hours. We have a bullish scenario as well and a retest here as well. So it should be broken and market should test this level around 1950 level. So these blue lines are approximate levels where the market can go to the upside and to the downside as well. And you can see gold has been moving in a channel as Dixie has been as well. So you can, if I go to line chart, you can see this is a channel. And let me go back to the charts. Blue chart. Okay, now This is the support level here. This support level. Around 1930 level. Market went all the way to the 1925. So this around 1925-30 level is a support level. There's a rejection here, but market can go all up to 1955, possibly. And if from there, then we'll see what the market will do, because if goes to here, it should reject from here to the downside. As you can see, in daily, we have a bearish structure. Let me take all these drawings up. In daily, we have bearish structure. This level has been broken, and maybe it can be retested up to this, and then market probably come down. However, if the channel is broken, which was here, that channel, the retest, we can take a buy trade. For the goal to be bullish, we should be looking around this area, around 90, should break this around 1987, 1990 level roughly. It should break this level before it comes bullish, because this is a strong area. So, and we can use Fibonacci as well to further enhance our learning and for more accurate probability. Right. As you can see, this 0.6 golden ratio levels, it has been rejected in daily to the upside. So I am definitely expecting at this moment of time to go the market to go to the upside. And let's go into 4 hour, see what the scenario is there. Taking the Fibonacci from the top level, let's see what we can expect. Market, according to this Fibonacci, market should come around 1950 as well. So there's multiple scenarios building up here, which shows the market should come up to 1950 level. Right. So that's a strong area. Strong probability. If we want to look at weekly is the bearish structure. Monthly is bearish structure, but until the month ends, we can't say anything what can happen in the month. So we stick with the daily and 4 hour at the moment. Weekly, as I said, is a bearish. Daily is bearish. However, it may complete the channel which I said earlier on. So let's see how the market plays, and I hope this analysis is helpful. And you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.